Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. It is our project title, Privacy Preserving Aggregate Queries for Optimal Location Selection. Let's see our project abstract. Our person, location data owner, maintain a location data along with a latitude longitude of accurate location. This location is based on business and also business of the particular area. Business client initially register then access the system. Business client can view only facilities of business. If suppose a business client has queries of business on particular area, when request sent to data owner, then give rights for find more information on particular area. A location data owner provide a suggestion to every business client query. However, the location data owner cannot directly share their data with the other business, and mainly due to privacy and legal concerns. In this paper, we propose a privacy preserving solution in which the location based queries can be executed and answered by a location data owner without sharing their data with other businesses and without accessing the customers list and business and send the queries. The proposed solution will facilitate the sharing of sensitive data between entities wide range of application without violating their customers' privacy. However, this is rarely in the case. The location data is typically collected by mobile telecommunication operators and service providers such as Foursquares. These data owners seek ways to enable to other businesses to run location-based analytics queries without violating their customer privacy. Let me see our project data flow diagram. They have two models, location data owner and also business client. Now we see the data location owner. So location owner initially log in with here username and also password. If enter a incorrect credential when show the error message alert. After the login, location data owner upload a location dataset. The dataset contains information such as a location latitude and longitude of location particular area, a business of particular data and time of business start. And location data owner should be a protector of location data information by using a cryptographic technique. This is called a pile technique. So it lead to increase the file security. The location data owner provide a suggestion about a business influence in particular company to business client who are request. Then the business client, the business also initially log in with his username and also password. It also similar to location data owner. But if existing users directly log in with system, otherwise the new business client initially register with access to system. Business client has separate unique ID. After the login, business client select a location, then see the business facility on particular location. But the business client cannot view more details about a particular location with business. If user want to view or know about a particular location when initially requested to location data owner, then business client view more details about particular business location with location permission. The permission is provided by the location data owner. After getting a permission, the business client can ask query to related location facility, the popular of etc. The data owner directly, so the user finally view a optimal location from a location data owner start a new business. Let's see our project demo. This is a home of our project. Here it is show the right side bottom is show the enter button. After clicking you show that two images. The picture box 1 shows the click to open a admin login page, and picture box 2 shows here click to open a user login page. Now we see the admin process. Click this image. After that open a location authority login page. Here you must put a correct credential. If you put a wrong credential and shows a invalid login, so your admin also put a correct username and also password. After login, open a So selected to location page. Now we put upload here. New York dataset. We click here, this done. Then open here. Click here, open button. Now the data set is uploaded into our page. Now we see the New York location dataset loaded successfully message. Now we also the Tokyo dataset upload. We put a wrong dataset here. For example, I put a wrong dataset here. When we'll wait for checking the correct or not. Now we see the correct dataset here. After that is so see the Tokyo location dataset loaded successfully message. After that, here the admin have to view a request from a business client, and he put a response to the business client. The data sets are into a particular location. Admin can be protect his location data set by using a file technique. So that reason, so admin login here. Now see the login successfully, welcome admin page. After that, he perform here. This is the file and decrypted technique. Here he apply. Suppose he is not apply here. When so yeah, not apply. When so yeah, apply encryption technique. So that reason initially apply. Then protect here data set here. So this is our data set. This is data set page. So that reason, so click OK button. Now this protect with some password. So click this password. Then now the file is same here. Now the unlock file went. I put a same password here. Now we can see the file is open. This is the protection way here. This admin only he protect here his location data set for privacy purpose. Now we perform here user process. It is same here. You click this image and open here user login page. If new user initially register, then access our system. Then so new user click here. When open here registration form, here user must put a username, password, gender type, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, address, business facility, and also security key. The security key is separated for getting a. I do some example. So that reason, business facility means so hotel or restaurant. So security key, here click this get button, then show here security key button. After that we click a register button and shows here register successfully message. This is the registration. After that business client initially log in with his or her username, password and security key. If you put a incorrect credential, when shows a invalid login. So business client must put a correct username, password and also security key. So after that, we have to business client select any one type of location. We put a location. If we put a Tokyo means when after that we click here. If suppose user wants to more info about that, and click this button, and here also we can view a select any one of location from the two location. We click here view, and here also changing. Here put here if user can ask queries on particular area. If user cannot select when shows here select any one location, so user can must put here select any one location. Here enter here query. User want enter query here. I want start this shop. This query is sender to location data owner. Checking the query. After that, the admin view here send response to business client. Business client now here have rights for view more information about a business location. So check result. Now user can view the shopping details on with business location, latitude, longitude and stripe. We click here optimal solution. We find optimal solution message. This is the optimal location details. This contains the latitude and longitude of optimal location. This is a result optimal location for a business client. This is the optimal location for a start a new business requested from business client profile. Thank you for watching our video.